When watching reality TV shows, there is always a depiction of a leader being cutthroat, shouting, and ordering people around. But is that really good leadership? Is that the kind of behaviour that gets the best out of your team? In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is leadership and qualities of good leadership. Hello, and welcome to another KYC Lookup video, where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. So, on to today's video. What is leadership? Leadership is the art of influencing and motivating people towards a common goal or vision. It is the ability to inspire others to achieve something that they might not have thought was possible before. One of the key aspects of leadership is having a vision. A leader must have a clear understanding of what they want to achieve and be able to communicate that vision to others. This vision should inspire and motivate, something that people can get behind and be passionate about. Effective communication is also critical to good leadership. A leader must be able to communicate their vision clearly and effectively to their team. They must be able to listen to their team members and understand their concerns and ideas. Communication should be open, honest, and transparent. Leading by example is another important trait for a good leader. A leader must demonstrate the behaviour that they expect from their team members. They should be the first to arrive and the last to leave, working hard alongside their team. They should also be willing to admit their mistakes and take responsibility for their actions. In addition to these key traits, a good leader must also possess certain skills. These skills include the ability to delegate tasks effectively, to motivate and inspire others, to make tough decisions, and to solve problems creatively. A good leader is also able to adapt to changing circumstances and to keep their team focused on the goal, even in the face of adversity. Leadership is not just being in charge. It is about being a role model and inspiring others to do their best. A good leader creates a positive culture that fosters growth and development, and that allows everyone to thrive. They are able to build strong relationships with their team members and create an environment where people feel valued, respected, and motivated. Qualities of good leadership. As well as the other qualities previously mentioned, there are also many qualities that are associated with good leadership. Here are some of the most important ones. Vision. A good leader has a clear vision of where they want to go and what they want to achieve. This vision is inspiring and motivating, and it helps to guide the actions of the leader and their team. Communication. A good leader communicates effectively with their team. They listen to their team members, provide feedback, and ensure that everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Integrity. A good leader acts with integrity. They are honest, ethical, and trustworthy, and they hold themselves and their team to high standards of behaviour. Empathy. A good leader has empathy for their team members. They understand their needs, concerns, and aspirations, and they are able to provide support and guidance when needed. Resilience. A good leader is resilient in the face of challenges and setbacks. They are able to stay focused on their goals and maintain their motivation even when things get difficult. Confidence. A good leader is confident in themselves and their abilities. They are able to inspire confidence in their team members and create a positive, empowering work environment. Decisiveness. A good leader is decisive and able to make tough decisions when needed. They weigh their options carefully, but they are not afraid to take action when it is necessary. Humility. A good leader is humble and open to feedback and criticism. They understand that they are not perfect and that there is always room for improvement. And accountability. A good leader takes responsibility for their actions and the actions of their team. They are accountable for their decisions and outcomes that result from them. What are the best practices for leadership? Delegating tasks and managing teams effectively are crucial skills for any leader. Delegation involves assigning responsibilities to others and empowering them to complete tasks effectively and efficiently. While team management involves coordinating the work of a group of individuals towards achieving common goals. Here are some of the best practices for delegating tasks and managing teams effectively. Define roles and responsibilities. Clear communication is essential to effective delegation and team management. As a leader, you need to define roles and responsibilities so that each team member knows what is expected of them. This includes outlining the tasks and goals, as well as the timelines and resources required. Clearly defined roles and responsibilities helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same objectives. Match tasks to skills. Effective delegation involves assigning tasks to team members based on their strengths, skills, and experience. This ensures that each task is completed well and efficiently. By leveraging the strengths of your team members, you can help them to achieve their full potential and contribute to the success of the team. Set clear expectations. Setting clear expectations is essential to effective delegation and team management. This involves communicating the goals, timelines, and expectations for each task or project, so that team members know what is expected of them and can work towards a common goal. Providing clear direction helps to ensure that everyone is aligned and focused on achieving the same objectives. Provide support and resources. Delegating tasks effectively involves providing the necessary resources, training, and support that team members need to complete their tasks. This can include providing access to tools and technology, offering training and development opportunities, and providing ongoing support and guidance as needed. By providing the necessary resources, you can help to ensure that your team members are well equipped to achieve their goals. And empower team members. Empowering team members is essential to effective delegation and team management. This involves giving team members the authority to make decisions and take ownership of their work. By empowering your team members, you can increase motivation and engagement and foster a sense of ownership and accountability. Provide feedback. Providing regular feedback is an important part to effective delegation and team management. This involves providing feedback and recognition to team members, both individually and as a group. Feedback helps to build trust, improve performance, and increase job satisfaction. By providing feedback, you can help your team members to understand their strengths and weaknesses, and encourage them to continue to develop and improve. And celebrate success. Celebrating success is an important part of effective team management. This involves recognising and celebrating successes and achievements, both big and small. Celebrating success helps to boost morale, build confidence, and reinforce a positive team culture. By celebrating success, you can help your team members to feel valued and motivated, and encourage them to continue. Overall, a good leader is someone who is able to inspire and motivate their team, while also acting with integrity, empathy, resilience, creativity, confidence, decisiveness, humility, and accountability. These qualities are essential for building a positive and effective leadership style that can drive success in any organisation or team. Well, there you have it. What is leadership and the qualities of good leadership? Please tell us in the comments section what you think makes a good leader and any other topics you would like us to cover in the future. We have now launched our very own courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.